This video is long overdue due to different reasons happening in the world, etc. I hope you are doing well and your loved ones are doing well. Today's video is a montage of a touchless winter wash of the BMW parked outside. So I recorded this video a while back then and I'm uploading it just now. And I just wanted to show you the steps I do perform and also what the end results are with a touchless wash, specifically during winter. And it's winter here in Sweden with a lot of grime, salt and dirt and whatnot. So the results are really good considering then that it is a touchless wash. I just also want to mention then I have a layer of Fuso coat wax on the car, and I also top up with PNS bead maker as a sacrificial layer, and I love that stuff, and you will see the results again then in the video. Also, if you do like the content of the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified for any new content I will be uploading with regards to the Mazda or the BMW, driving impressions or videos similar like this. And also, if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get on with the video. There you have it. As you saw, the results are really good for being a touchless wash during winter period. I'm fully satisfied, and I'm an OCD type of guy. So there you go. If you have any questions at all, just hit me up in the comment sections below and I will try to answer them the best I can. And also, as you saw, I did actually do a contact wash step, and that was the wheels, because the wheels do get really dirty and I just want to make sure that I get them as clean as possible. So with that said, then, if you do like the content, please do consider subscribing and also hit that bell icon to stay notified for any new content, and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.